Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Glamourpedia03. So today we are going to learn the properties, benefits and uses of additives in the shampoo. So let's get started. Properties and uses of additives are opacity, non-transparent, cetyl alcohol, cocoa mono, cocoa dye, triethanolamine, lauryl sulfate, etc. can be added to make the shampoo opaque. Clarifying and sequestering agents like EDTA, it removes calcium, magnesium and other metal or irons, make shampoo working well in hard water also. EGMS, it makes the shampoo pearly in appearance. They should not use in more amount as it will make hair more dry. Finishing and conditioning agents, shine and luster. These both the functions are correlated. They are the main ingredients which makes the shampoos widely acceptable. Lanolin, cocoa mono, cocoa dye, polyglycol stearates, glycerol stearates, CMC, which means carboxy methyl cellulose, glycerine, there makes the hair soft, silky, shiny, healthy, and thus conditions hair. Isopropyl myristate, butyl polymetate, etc. They are esters and are also acts as finishing agents. Thickeners, cellulose derivatives, CMC carboxyl methyl cellulose, polyvinyl alcohol, PVA, polyvinyl pyrrolidine PVP, NaCl, sodium chloride and common salt, etc. are used as thickener. It thickens the shampoo. Some of them do double functions also. Some like NaCl, common salt, for using is not advisable, and it just thickens the shampoo but won't have any function. Foaming agents or foam builders or foam stabilizers. Laurel, dyed hand, amides, which is also called alkyl amide. Cocoa mono, etc. can be used as foaming agents, helps in forming the foams. Preservatives, mold action, bacteria formation in shampoo is prevented by them, and also protection against bacteria growth. Example, formaldehyde, methyl paraben, sodium, MPSO, propyl paraben, etc. are used as preservatives. Ultraviolet absorbents UVA, benzophenone derivatives can be used if available. Anti-dandruff agents, zinc omidine, but in the absence of zinc omidine, bactericide like citrimide can be used. Some of the above additives do help to maintain the pH of shampoo by acting as buffer. There is a big list of perfumes and fixative agents. Fixative agents like kasturi, sandalwood oil, cinnamon acid, musk ketone, etc. can be used. Perfuming agents, heliotrope, jasmine oil, orange oil, lemon oil, sterol oil, etc. can be used. Even apple, any floral, lavender can be used. FDA Food Drug Administral approval cosmetic grade perfume should be used. Coloring agents. Food colors are used. Example, blue, blue-green, yellow-green and any other color can be used depending on one's choice for particular color and for particular shampoo. Base or surfactants such as SLS powder and SLES liquid. Additives like cocoa mono and cocoa dye contribute to the good performance and wide acceptance of shampoos. That's all for today. I hope you understood what I said. And if you can't understand because of the noise in the background, you can leave a comment below, or you have any questions, you can comment below and I will reply you back. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification for more such videos. Meet you. See you in the next video.